Guys, welcome to another video. So today's video I wanted to try out a concealer that was on clearance at Ulta. Not quite sure if it was my shade. I just wanted to see if I can make it work. You know, you got to be creative. So I just want to see if I can make it work. So if you want to see how I got this look, the products I used and all that good stuff, make sure you keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. Okay guys, I am back, jumping right into it. This is the Zoeva concealer that I ordered from Ulta. Authentic Skin Perfector Retouch Concealer. And this was in the shade, what shade was this? True. 260 True. This was the closest one that I thought was closest to my skin tone. And as you can see when I apply it, it comes off a little orange. But I was like, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to see how this turns out. So, yeah, it's looking real orange, right? I know. So, of course, I applied it in the areas where I felt like I needed concealer. So, I'm like, yeah, you see my face. I'm like, this is orange. But keep watching because we're going to pull it together. It was very, very full coverage. What made me pick this concealer up for Ulta was, one, it was on clearance for $4.75. Two, I've never purchased anything from Zoeva before, so I wanted to give it a try. The regular price of this concealer is $19, so I was like, okay, it's worth a try. As you can see, when I'm blending it out, it's slowly melting into my skin. Nothing right away, but it's slowly getting there. The coverage was there. The color, not so much. And it was easy to blend out. I felt like my smile lines, you can see my smile lines where I put my paint pot, it was still kind of showing. So I was like, I'm going to keep working. I'm not going to give up, because that was the idea of this video, to buy something that I wasn't sure of and try to make it work. So I'm going to let you watch this part. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to damp my sponge. I was doing a voiceover at first because I'm like, I don't know how this is going to work. And hopefully it works out good. So far, so good. For $4.75. I'm scared of the highlight shade. The highlight shade is 200 present. Regular price for this is $19. This may be just a tad bit too light. Y'all know I'm a concealer girl. Always pick up concealers. It feels really good and really creamy on my skin. So that part I'm already not mad at all. That shade, when I put it on, I'm like, oh, that's not gonna work. But it looked like it worked. And I need to know for sure while it's on sale at Ulta. While Ulta is getting rid of it. I've never had anything by this brand. So when I saw that it was on sale, that was the perfect time for me to try it. But this is blending flawlessly. And it was only 11 reviews on this on Ulta's website. And probably 2 out of the 11 was bad. But the rest of them were good. So that's what really made me, ooh. Looking kind of bright. That's bright. Oh y'all, I gotta fix this. It's pigmented. I'm looking kind of bright. Maybe let me contour. This is trial and error when doing makeup. I've learned that not everything is going to come out right. And can I fix it? Can I fix it to make it work? So it at least looks a little bit suitable for me. Okay guys, so I am back with my little $4.75 concealers by Zoeva. I enjoy it. As you can see, it came together good. This is my first time ever trying anything from this brand. Too bad Ulta is discontinuing these concealers. I checked on it this morning and they have 3 shades on there and they're still $4.75. But I'm quite sure places that aren't discontinuing it, you should be able to get like all shades. Do I think it was the perfect shade for my skin? Probably not. Do I think I can make it work? Yes, I can. Y'all know I love concealers. And I'm at the point now where I'll try concealers before I try a foundation. I think concealers are easier for me to kind of like manipulate versus a foundation. So, yeah. And it's matte. It's not tight. The only thing I'm kind of is my smile lines. I feel like, you know how you already know, like they might crease. So I don't know. I'll keep you posted in the description or the comments and let you know if it crease. But I didn't put on any gloss. I just put the liner on my lips. And I'm using this Sephora Cream Brulee. A little bit better. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's very quick video, experimental video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.